Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. This is our 2008 Jeep Wrangler X. I gotta tell you, I am extraordinarily excited about this one. I can tell you this is our next sold Jeep. I know you're thinking, how can you be so sure? Well, I've sold hundreds and hundreds of Jeep Wranglers, and I can tell you, when they get in this condition, with this equipment, in this price range, with those miles, they don't set long. This thing will not be here long. It is an X, but you do have your upgraded to Sahara wheels. You have your running boards. You have a matching fifth spare, which is again is the Sahara upgrade. And of course, the condition. This thing is extremely clean. That seat will fold down and flip out of the way, and I've got pictures of that on our website. If you go to citymotors.net, you can see that. Has the Infinity subwoofer. Again, that's an upgrade for the X. And that's one of the things I love about them, is with that seat folded down, it just gives you so much room there in that back. Again, the hard top comes off in two pieces. That right there will pop right off, and it'll stow in that back. And then it makes it a little bit lighter if you ever want to take that back piece off. It's easy to do. This one has your upgraded interior. You have your weather resistant leather-like material. Of course, you have your sound bar. And then you have, like I said, these come off in two pieces on the top. Just turn a couple switches there and that thing will pop right out. Has your fog lamps. This one has your cruise control. Of course, four-wheel drive. This one is the 6-speed transmission. In my opinion, the only way to go with a two-door. You have your oversized center console. Whoever had this one upgraded the audio to a very nice and tastefully done Pioneer audio that does have Bluetooth compatibility. You do have your speaker, your microphone for your phone, and your remote. And again, just super clean. I mean, it is so hard to find Jeeps under $15,000 with this kind of mileage and this kind of condition. Guys, do not miss this Jeep. It will not sit here long. We can't have any holds on this, and please, no dealer phone calls on this vehicle. We're not going to wholesale it. This is just for our customers, guys. So feel free to call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. And keep in mind, we're not going to blindside you with some high processing fee. We have zero processing fees. No processing fees whatsoever. And at City Motors, all of our vehicles are covered by a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Guys, don't miss this Jeep. It is just too clean in this price range. It's not going to set long. Come down, test drive this thing. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.